everybody, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're a subscriber or a follower, and welcome if this is your first visit. I have some DIYs Christmas theme for you today, so let's start with the first one. I'm going to decorate the back of this tag that I think is from Dollar Tree. I bought it last year, I really don't remember, but I think it's from Dollar Tree. But I'm going to use this side for winter, but this side for Christmas, and I will show you later where I'm going to hang it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to brush dry the back. I'm going to try if I like it. If not, I'm going to paint it white. But I like this color, and so I'm going to see how it looks just dry brushing it. Dry brushing is, as you can see, just picking up a little bit of paint and brushing slightly the surface so you get this look. I think I like it this way. I added too much paint there, so I'm gonna to add a little bit more here. For it to have a consistent look. Okay. Now I am going to add these two pieces of ribbon, and I'm going to use this glue. I'm not associated with Sure Bonder at all. It's just that I saw it in another video on YouTube. These are sticks that are made especially for fabric, and they are awesome. I made 2 throw pillows, and I sealed the 2 of them with this glue, and it's much better than the regular hot glue, hot glue sticks, and they are really inexpensive. I paid, I think, you can see 18, and I used like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 5, not counting this one, for the 2 huge 53 inches per side throw pillows, and I still have a lot. And I think I paid like $8 for the 18 sticks, so I think it's worth it, really worth it. So I'm going to add some glue here and some glue here, and I'm going to add a ribbon like so, and I'm going to finish this tag adding this very cute little wreath that, in fact, this is a candle holder. The pine cones should be seen from the outside. This is a real orientation, so you can place a candle here, but I needed a mini wreath because I wanted to place it here, so I moved them to the inside, and now I'm going to glue them with the regular glue gun. Like this. So we don't need too much glue for this, so I think that's more than enough. And now the reveal. I hope you know already, my daughter and I are dumpster divers, so there are a lot of things we find in the dumpsters, and one of the things we found last year is this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous thing. I hope you can see it. It's beautiful. And of course it was in the dumpster because it seems something was hanging from here and it's missing. But I love it. So I used it last year for winter because we found it after Christmas. So that's why I used this tag here. But now for Christmas I'm going to use this side. And I think it matches perfectly. So this is how it looks. I really think it's gorgeous. As usual, I'm going to show you later from the front how it looks. But for now, this is the final project. So now, let's move on to another project. We also found in the dumpsters last year these 3 beautiful and cute Christmas trees. And this is the original color, like this. I've been dry brushing them. I used another brush, smaller one, to give them a more snowy look. So I'm going to finish this one, and then I'm going to tell you how I am using them. These are all very, very quick and easy DIYs. You can do this with any other tree that you can buy at your local craft store. So, in the meantime, let me tell you that I am participating in the Crafting from My Sleigh challenge that is hosted by Kiki and from Kiki DIYs and Krafty Leeny, or Leeny, sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong. So I will leave the link to their channels in the description box, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Please, 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 please visit the hostesses channels and the playlist. And I will also link our dumpster diving channel, the one my daughter and I share, which is Dumpster Chicks. And if you want to pay a visit, it will make us really, really happy. I'm ruining my nails, doesn't matter. Okay, what I'm going to do with these trees is, we are just 3 this year at the Christmas table, so I'm making this, I don't know how you call them seed place marker, seed marker. Well, they're going to be by the plates, so everyone knows where to sit. So I have these lids that are from these condiment cans or containers, and I saved them because I knew someday I will be using them. And I had this black, so I painted them white. I spray painted them white with Rust-Oleum, flat white. And I had these tags, these black tags. So I wrote the names with a white marker of the 3 of us, and then I glued them. So with I used a nail, a hot one. I heated it on flame, candle flame. I made a hole, and I added these brads that are really, really cute, as a Christmassy detail. So now the last thing I have to do is to glue the Christmas tree to the lids, like so. Oh, there we go. Just a little bit of glue on each one. Oh, it seems it's not touching the... I need another stick as usual. Oops. So let's see if I can make the glue touch the top of the lids. Otherwise I will have to use E6000. I think that now it's working. The second one. And we are almost done with this DIY. Here and here. They are really, really cute. I love them. So, this is it for this DIY. And I have one last DIY for you. I'm working on those little things that you give people that you maybe are your co-workers or just people you know occasionally, acquaintances, and you are not going to give them a huge present. So I'm making these bags out of these socks from Dollar Tree. So what you have to do is to cut. You see where this part ends? Well, you cut there, like so, and then you fold this border inside to make like a hem, like this, and I am going to glue it with the fabric glue. It's better to stretch it a little bit because it helps the border to stay in place. So I'm going to glue it. This is so quick and so easy, and you will see it looks really, really good. Okay, let's remove this, the excess, and then you have a very cute little bag. You can use it also for gift cards, anything you want. It's up to you. I use them. I have two more here to show you the different options. As you can see, I use the same ribbon. I glued it to the back. I place this is a body lotion from Bath & Body Works. Look how beautiful it is, so Christmassy. So now it's just a matter of tying it, and I'm going to tie it twice, just in case, and adding some decoration. And I'm using these embellishments. For example, I'm going to add this one here. I think I'm going to cut this gold thingy, and I'm going to glue it here with a regular hot glue. It has a glue dot, but it's dry. I have had these embellishments for a long time, so I think it looks good here. And voila, we have a little gift for someone we want to make happy on Christmas. For the second one, I'm using, it's also from Bath & Body Works, and I think this is hand lotion, no, body cream, I think. I'm not going to remove it, doesn't matter. And as you can see, you can also fold the top, and it looks really, really cute also. So let me do the second knot, and I'm going to add this mistletoe. I love it. So here we go. Like it's coming out the border. Another beautiful, cute little gift. And for this one, I'm going to use, where do I have it? Oh, here it is. Sorry, I was looking for it here. This is from Bath & Body Works. This fragrance is so nice. I love it. So I'm going to place this here, and again I'm going to tie, but first of all I want to use this bell here, so I'm going to glue it to the inside of the border, and also a little dot of glue here. I need my protector, otherwise I'm going to get burned. So here we go. Like so. And then I may add a little dot of glue here, so that the bell is not going back and forth. So now I'm going to tie it with the same ribbon. Let me see. I want to glue it in the back for it not to move. And now I'm going to tie it to the front. I don't need this now. And this is another option. If you have bells around, this is another option. You can use pine cones, greenery, whatever you have at hand. So you can make a beautiful, beautiful gift and spend almost no money because you're using things you have at home. And these socks from Dollar Tree are $1 a pair, so you have 2 bags from each pair, so it's 50 cents. So look at this. I think they look really great. This is the second one, this is the first one. So this is it. I hope you like these DIYs. I like them, and the thing I like the most is that they are very quick and easy, because on Christmas we are always very busy, so saving time for me is really important. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. I want to thank the hostesses for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels. Please watch the videos in the playlist. Please visit Dumpster Chicks. And I also want to thank all of you so much for watching, for your constant support to my channel. It's growing slowly but steadily, and it's all thanks to all of you. I just reached 3,000 subscribers, and this is something that I never expected is going to happen this year. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.